Hey guys, John from Kraus. Today I'll show you how to install Kraus Faucet with a side sprayer. For this video, we'll be using this Urbix Industrial Bridge Faucet, but you can use these instructions for any Kraus faucet with a side sprayer. Bridge faucets have a bold look, giving your kitchen a contemporary feel. Let's get started. For this installation, you'll need a wrench, Teflon pipe tape, and a Phillips screwdriver. Start by turning off your hot and cold water supplies. Once you've done that, turn on your faucet and release any remaining pressure in the lines. Using a crescent wrench, loosen the nuts on the water lines. Once loosened, spin them free. It will be helpful to have a bucket or a bowl handy to catch any water that may leak out of these lines. Once the lines are loosened, go ahead and remove your faucet. Depending on your countertop and sink style, you may have to drill extra holes. These holes are 4 inches apart on center and 1.25 inches in diameter. Consult a professional if you are not comfortable doing this. Any Kraus top mount sink with 4 holes, like this one, will work perfectly for this installation. Kraus 4-hole sinks come with a cap to cover the extra hole. Remove this cap so we can install the sprayer. Once you have 4 holes, install the faucet. Carefully feed the water lines through the correct holes. Set the faucet into place, making sure the Kraus logo is pointing towards you. Next, install the sprayer. Feed the line through the hole and set the sprayer into place. With your faucet in place, go underneath the sink and thread this rubber washer, this metal washer, and the locking nut over the water line and onto the faucet body. Tighten the locking nut until it's snug on the underside of the sink or countertop. Make sure one of the screws on the locking nut is facing towards the front of the sink. This will help stabilize the faucet. With a Phillips screwdriver, tighten both screws until the faucet is tight onto the countertop. Repeat this procedure for both the other side of the faucet and the sprayer hose. With your faucet secured, it's now time to connect your sprayer hose. To start, take your supply line and thread in the quick connector into the nut of the supply line. Tighten this by hand. Using a crescent wrench, hold the nut and tighten the quick connect until it's snug. Now, take the sprayer hose line and press it firmly into the quick connect. You will hear a click. Next, install the water lines to your new faucet. To start, apply Teflon tape to the threads of the shutoff valves as we've done here. It's best if you apply the Teflon tape in a clockwise direction. Next, install your water lines. Blue is cold, which typically attaches to the right shutoff valve. Red, which is hot, usually attaches to the left shutoff valve. Once you've tightened these by hand, use a crescent wrench to tighten them until snug. Just a quick note about Kraus water lines. All Kraus faucets come with pre-attached water lines, saving you time and money. Additionally, these water lines are made from braided nylon, which is far more resistant to corrosion than steel. Lastly, these water lines come with pre-installed dome washers, which filter out debris from your water, keeping your faucet flowing smoothly. The Urbix Industrial Bridge Faucet has an adjustable spout height, allowing you to customize your faucet to your kitchen needs. To do this, unlock the holding nut, raise the spout, and re-secure the holding nut. Once you've done this, take a napkin and wipe off the oil. Finally, turn on your water, flush the faucet, and check for leaks. That's it. You now have a compelling statement piece in your kitchen. Urbix comes in a variety of different finishes, including a really cool red and black matte finish and spot-free stainless steel, which hides fingerprints and water spots. These faucets are also really corrosion resistant and will not fade over time. If you run into any troubles, do not hesitate to reach out to Kraus customer service, either by phone or at kraususa.com. Thanks for watching.